with Auntie B, and we're gonna be doing the junk food mukbang thing. So yeah. So oh yeah. So Tussie Poaching? She commented down below in one of my videos asking for a candy mukbang thing, but we were just like, why don't we do candy? And we were just like, oh, why don't we just add some chips and some biscuits? And we're like, it's just gonna be a junk food mukbang. So yeah, let's get into the video. By the way, this is my favorite chocolate soy milk. So before we'll try some new chips, there's a spaghetti bolognese chips, macaroni and cheese chips. I'm not really into chips, but why not? So let's get into it, y'all. Rub it in.
Yeah, one some.
Yeah, you got one some? Oh, we could have had muffins too. So I'm just trying the big breakaways.
Okay, open it a little bit.
Bro, you took it easy. I like eating the outside chocolate first, before the wafer. It's like a Kit Kat, but in a circle, so it tastes better. Oh no, it doesn't. I'm scared to try this chocolate here.
Okay.
The almonds one. Ginger nut won't be nice, but. These are really good though. Let's try these chips. Try the macaroni and cheese one first. Oh, it smells like poo. And heaps of cheese, like moldy cheese or something. Oh no, it smells like rotten milk. We're still gonna eat it. Like another chips, but I can't remember what it is. It smells weird. Oh, did you see that thing on Facebook or something, or the news, where this guy made pizza with 150 different cheeses? I was like, what?
Nah, this one's better.
No. Mac and cheese smells, y'all. Next best thing. Try these Oreo bites now. More like 2 bites. I'll show you guys inside. I like the flake ones, the mini flake bites. I love Oreos. I used to take one of these every morning to school and finish it during first period, and all my teachers would be like, it takes me a week to drink like one of these. It's just too good, man. Can't wait a week. I'm gonna try these M&Ms though. The only M&Ms I like is the blue packet, the crunchy one. I don't really like the peanut one because it takes effort to chew.
Yeah, the crispy one.
Yeah, crispy. Grills. I love my grills. I remember I used to have grills when I was younger. I can't remember what happened though. I think I had blue ones, light blue ones. Smells nice. Strawberries and cream is the flavour. alright, eh?
See ya.
I'm not really a fan of berry flavor stuff. Caramel. Finish this?
No.
Oh man, this is hard.
Now let's try strawberry.
Oh, this is not even half the packet though. Oh, these ones are a lot thicker. Caramel.
Because they had to fill them up in.
Nice, that's right. Can't even taste the caramel. Bite and sugar. It still tastes like Mars, the caramel. Oh, Mars? Mars. Mars. So.
Huh?
I don't think you guys will be able to see it. Caramel. Do you like the strawberries and cream? That's alright. It's not alright. It's alright. We tried ginger nut.
Ginger nut.
She's slowly rubbing in the cold cookies. Oh, these are some big pieces, y'all. I'll give you a mess of pieces. Some dark chocolate. Oh, ginger nut strawberries, ever. I think it goes with dark chocolate because yeah. Ah, so hard. It's just nice. Actually tastes really nice. I make big pieces to torture us with a bit. Doing Mama Beef style already.
This ginger nut.
You know what she did, Mum? Go with the. No, honestly, it tastes really nice. Oh, for me, but. Would I eat the rest of the packet? Probably not. If I'm really hungry, probably yes.
Finish!
Try a little bit.
Yeah, I want some chips.
No. Wow! Yeah. You mad me, man. Oh my god, eat all the chips will probably help. Yeah, it's good. It's like the Ritz biscuit, y'all. Trying Jazz biscuit. It's just gonna sit there, y'all. I can show it.
Like the chips now.
Milk chocolate.
The mac and cheese chips.
Mac and cheese, mac and cheese. Probably tastes a bit salty. This probably tastes like pretzels, maybe. When we smell it. My mom started that smelling thing in this family. You can't taste the biscuit. Can't taste it. She tried to mess with her, Gregor. She's trying to make me look there. Every time I eat cold cookies, I feel like I'm gonna get diabetes. You kept on cooking it. But I had a second option. Heaps of chocolate chippies in there. I like eating the chocolate chips left over at the bottom of the packet. Dip it in my thing.
Comment down below if you want us to try something else. Like anything. Besides insects, because I know you guys are gonna. Insects.
Oh, yeah, no insects, thanks. Yeah, so I'm gonna get to, I'm gonna get to the, get to know me video sometime soon. But yeah, get ready for some challenges, y'all. Coming out this weekend. I only like clickers now and then. No, I didn't fall in the car. I was kidding.
It fell out of the packet.
I did great.
No,
you
the ginger
didn't.
one.
You tried to trick me, y'all. Oh, I love clinkers. It's like eating pavlova, the middle part.
Yeah,
but hard
the
pavlova.
ginger nut one.
Go, go. Pump it up. Yeah, I don't think anyone's gonna eat those chocolates again. The jazz.
But we tried.
I like the jazz ones too. Or jets ones.
Benny and the Jets.
Got you. Happy Mother's Day to all the mothers out there.
Happy Mama's Day. Hip hip hooray! Hip hip hooray!
Happy Mother's Day to you. Happy Mother's Day to you. Happy Mother's Day to you, mamas. Happy Mother's Day to you. Oh, my poor teeth. I'm just gonna throw in another biscuit. This video goes out to Sussy Poaching, who commented down below for us to try a candy mukbang. And here we have our candy mukbang. We're probably gonna have no teeth the next video you see us in. But it's okay. Thank you, Sussy, for the suggestion. But yeah, I think we're gonna go sleep now. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new to this channel. Don't forget to click that like button below. Don't forget to comment down below. Don't forget to click on that bell to keep notified. Yeah, and share, guys. That's enough. What you
Share it.
yeah, share, guys. And we'll see you guys on the next video. So far, so far.
Gotta do that.